Hello CraftDee family and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite stores, Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, to see what's new on the shelves. Now I always love to take you guys along with me to find all of the fun finds in store. So let's just dive in. Now for this video, I'm starting off in the glassware and look what I spotted. These heavy duty glass jars. Now this is a medium size glass jar. It has a metal lid with like a black kind of wood grain design on the top. Really nice. Now at the next store, I found the large size of the jar. These are really heavyweight and very great quality. I'm telling you, if you see these, you definitely need to grab them because they disappeared within a day. Now at the next store, I did find the smallest jar. This is the small size. It has the same matching lid as the other two, but it is a circle in size. So this matches the collection. Now, lo and behold, at a different store, I did find these. So this is the medium size round jar, but this has a marble style lid. So I don't know how many versions are out there, but this is what I spotted at my stores. So be on the lookout. Now, also in the glassware section, I saw new mugs. Mentally on vacation. If that isn't me, I don't know what it is. And this one here, I love weekends. I love these because you can give these as gifts or keep them for yourselves. If you are a pet lover, home is where someone runs and greets you. They're really cute. And then they had this navy blue one that said, "Live in the moment" with green writing. If you missed out on the Nautica coffee cup shipments, a second shipment just arrived at my Dollar Tree, so keep an eye out for those. But I have to tell you about this. This new kitchen set collection is amazing. So this is called SimpleMade. The pieces in this collection are such great quality. I can't even express how nice these are. And this one here is the sink caddy for sponges and scrubbers. Also in this collection are these kind of sink strainers. These are like almost like a rubbery silicone material. Now they did have this one. This one is in a starburst. The great thing is that these come in a 2-pack and not the typical 1-packs that you see at the Dollar Tree. They have scrub brushes as well. So they did have the scrub brushes that are white with the wood handle, which is a nice upgrade and looks very nice. Now I have to mention that the sink strainers also come in this type of design too, kind of like a splash design. So they had 2 of those styles to choose from. Now this was another piece that I really loved about this collection. This is the soap dispensing brush. We've seen something similar to this in the past, but not this much quality. I think this is a great item. I did buy a few of them, one for the kitchen and one for general cleaning. If you like the typical palm size scrubbers that dispense soap, they did have those as well in this SimpleMade collection. So be on the lookout for that. If you want a scrub brush that has the sponge fingers at the end, which is really handy, definitely check that out. They did have that available as well in this collection. Now, some other items that were on the shelf with these are these little hand oven mitts by Simple Kitchen. So they did have multiple different styles of the different patterns like lemons. Here's one, pink flowers on white. They have multicolors on white, and it all has that heat resistant silicone kind of layer on the inside, and they're really thick in quality. Now they not only had patterns, they did have solids, which is red, which I like, and then they had this one which was tiny bit larger than the other ones, so check those out. So now I skipped over to the craft section. I'm always excited about what just came in, and this time I saw these little wood pieces that are carved out. So this one was the shape of a heart. Here's one that is a circle, and as you can see, it has a little lip around each one of these pieces, so the things that you put on these little pieces don't slide off, so you can use them as trays. I really love that. And being that these are solid wood, they can definitely be stained, they can be painted, they can be customized as gifts. So there's so many ways that you could use those. Now also in the craft section, I saw new packs of crafting paper. This is a 24 sheet pack. It was pretty heavy, so I'm hoping that they still come out with this size for the $125 price point. I really love these bright and bold colors. And another item in home decor. Okay, so these glass stem pieces here that are candle holders are returning. You can see they're back in stock and they seem a little bit more beefier than years past, so that is a bonus. They also have these returning. You guys remember these wax melts that smell absolutely amazing? I saw these at $2 trees. So if you see them, you need to grab them while they last. Now, speaking of things that smell great, these little canned scents for your car, these are kind of like a copycat of California scents, I think, but I did see them in two different scents of cherry and lemon, and these are $1.25. This was a new item that I saw also just a little bit ways down. These are Pet Plus wipes. I've never seen wipes for your pet in this large container at the Dollar Tree. So if you are looking for these, they just showed up. Be on the lookout. Now, near the entrance of one of my stores, they had some new solar lights. Now, it seems like they're always coming out with new ones. These are the ones for like stair steps, or you can use them along your fence as shown here. I think that is such a clever idea to use these. They also have this new style. Now, Dollar Tree over the past few years has been coming out with some amazing designs in their solar lights, and they just keep getting better and better. And as you can see, a lot of these were selling quickly. Now, we just had the summer items and the summer baskets out in those bright colors, but if you like a more neutral, subtle, even masculine style of basket, be sure to look at your Dollar Tree because my store just stocked these if you want a more neutral type of color. And I had to feature this bridal shop collection on one of the end caps. Look, these are all bridal type of items and they have pearls on eyelashes. And these are pearl and body and face dots that you could adhere to yourself. How neat is that? They also have these little bridal kits. These come with like comb, they come with a file and a couple hair accessories, and they have these cute little compacts that are coming in pink and white. These are the mirror compacts. If you're looking for a little bling, they have these team bride and bride hair clips that you can wear in your hair, which is really nice. They also have beauty blenders. Now they come in a 2-pack and they are in the shape of a diamond in lavender and pink. They also have the nail files sold in a 3-pack in this bridal collection in a glitter or a floral design. And to place everything in, they had these zipper little cosmetic style bags that says, "I do crew." How cute is that? And then at the bottom, they did have brushes. They have Team Bride, and then they have Bride on there as well. These are nice to keep all zippered up in the pouch. Now, these came out last year, but they are back. They sold out so quickly. So these are those soap dispensing body brushes. Now, you can use these for yourself, but I've seen a lot of people use these for their pets as well. They do come in 3 colors, and let me tell you, these sell out quick. Now, if you're more of a loofah person like me, I love these oversized jumbo loofahs. I think this is one of the largest type of loofahs that I've ever seen at the Dollar Tree. So I definitely grabbed a few of these. Now, in comparison to the regular ones, you could see side by side, those larger ones are twice the size as the regular Dollar Tree ones. And for $1.25, it's an amazing deal. Okay, now Dollar Tree, I see you with the warming gel. But if you really want to stay warm, I suggest these socks. So they have new sock collections from Hershey, and they have Reese's socks and Hershey on the other pair. So these are all sold in 2 packs. Another 2-pack that they had are a bubble yum theme, and they all come in really bright, bold colors in different sizes. Now, if you're a fan of Jolly Rancher, they did have 2 packs of the Jolly Rancher socks as well. So I love these, so fun and colorful. Here's another one that is sold in a 2-pack, and this is a Hershey's Kisses. So the first pair has kisses on it, and then the second pair has all kinds of little Hershey Kisses all over it. I think that those are adorable. More Jolly Rancher socks were showing up, and this is a 2-pack with a lighter color and a blue color sock on this collection. Now they had a lot of party inflatables. I love these. So this is this is like a seashell. Here's some with a rainbow, 22 inches. Here is a 23-inch unicorn if you're looking for that inflatable, and a 23-inch mermaid tail. These are a nice big size. For your Cinco de Mayo, they have the tacos and peppers inflatables in this package. And if you love a train theme, they had a train theme inflatable too. For all our space fans, they had the astronaut inflatable here, really nice. And race cars. Who doesn't love race cars? They have that one too. Now check out the little dinosaur here. This is really cute at 22 3/4 inches. Really fun. Now over in the school section, I looked in the supply section and I found these new storage containers. I really love this container because this is the perfect size for all of your beads, your small little trinkets and doodads, and they come in 4 different colors. They were here one day and gone the next week. You want to get those. And summer is here when you start seeing all of the inflatable pool toys. Now, some of these did return from last year, which is understandable because they're so much fun, but there were a few new ones kind of mixed up in the bunch, and the colors just keep getting more and more vibrant. So these are not only good for just pool toys, you can use them as indoor toys. You can use them for a little extra seat cushion if you need it. And of course, the beach balls can be used all the time indoors. The kids love to play with these types of items, and you can also use these for decoration, especially if you're having like a pool party theme. If you buy a bunch of these and inflate them and spread them around, I'm sure your guests would have a good time. Now, along with the playful inflatables, they have the arm inflatables and the drink holder inflatables mixed in, and it varies from store to store. So be sure to check out your store to see exactly what's available because there is a huge assortment. Now they do have these diving octopus toys that you could use in a pool and lots of goggles as well. So be on the lookout for those. So now I'm going to walk over to the Dollar Tree Plus section to see what I can find. And the first thing I saw were these large baskets. Now there is a 125 version of this, but this large oversized one is a winner. So it's only $3 and it does come in assorted colors. Great for toting things to the beach or just using it to tote things around the house. This is one of my favorite finds today. This $5 container is a generous size, and I love, love, love the finish of it. It just looks so clean and neat. As you can see, it has a lid that folds over and Velcros into place. So these are great for storing things out of the way. And then I found these wreaths. These are returning from last year. These are the 4th of July wreaths. This and those 2-foot gnomes are really the only thing I've seen so far this year. Now, I did come across even more socks in the plus section, and this is a 6-pack of some licensed socks that are really fun. So this is the SpongeBob collection, and it's got all the Squidward and SpongeBob and Patrick and all of our fun SpongeBob characters. Here's one with Scooby-Doo. Got all the characters in there as well as Shaggy, Scooby, Velma. All of those are hidden up in there in the socks. If you're a fan of the Looney Tunes, they did have this Looney Tune collection with Bugs Bunny and Tweety Bird, all of our fun characters there. And then they had the Barbie collection. Of course, it's all pink themed. What would Barbie be without her pink? So let me tell you guys, you need to grab these. You get 6 pairs for $5. So now we're going to jump over to the Family Dollar. And for those of you who don't know, the Dollar Tree owns the Family Dollar. So you'll see a lot of the things sold at the Dollar Tree that are also available at the Family Dollar, like these crates. We've seen these in the plus section at the Dollar Tree. But right now, what's going on at my Family Dollar store is a lot of their craft section is 50% off. And when you can get these large crates for 50% off, you want to grab them. Now, 2 of my Dollar Tree or Family Dollar stores in my area had their craft sections for 50% off. So they may be doing away with their craft sections, but these stores in my area aren't on the closed list. So I think they're just kind of downsizing the areas. Now, these large plaques are really a steal. I did grab a couple of these, and they had the rectangular ones. And then as you can see, they had the round ones. I love that they have the built-in hook on the back, and then they're 50% off as well. Such a great deal. This large tray is probably one of the largest ones I've ever seen at the Dollar or Family Dollar. This one has a plank style, and this one's also 50% off the $5 price point. We've seen this tray in the Dollar Tree Plus section, but it is also available at the Family Dollar. This is a $5 tray, but they all are 50% off. So if you want to stock up on trays to make as gifts or even to use as crafts or in your home, now is the time to head to your Family Dollar. These large carved words are also a great deal. These are $3, but they are 50% off. So I saw Blessed and Home at my Family Dollar store. So you just have to keep looking, and you got to kind of squat down because some of them may be pushed to the back. Now, besides the wood items, they did have a few craft items as well, which are great to have on hand whenever you're doing crafts. We can never have enough paint brushes. They also have some stencil wheels. We've seen something like this at the Dollar Tree, and it just looks like something that's been rebranded from the Dollar Tree brand into Family Dollar. So you definitely can check those out as well for 50% off. Here's some canvas pieces. If you love to work with canvas, they have these star-shaped canvases for a 3-pack. These are also 50% off. And then they have the standard ones that are mounted on a wood frame, or the ones that are flat, or you can choose the smaller ones that are $1. All of these are marked down 50% off at my store, so you definitely want to check that out. If you love to do any kind of stenciling, I saw script letter stencils at 50% off. So these are $1.50 at the Family Dollar. And look at this sketch pencil set. This has so many pieces. It's regularly $3, marked down 50%. You guys, just check out your local Family Dollar stores for any of these items. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring lots of great new finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've featured these 2-tier trays from the Dollar Tree, and these ones have a beautiful scallop metal lace trim, which is absolutely gorgeous. Now, unfortunately, they are hard to find in stores, but I did buy a few extra just to give away. Now, I will be giving away one of these trays in the color white to one lucky winner. Now, some of the rules have changed, so here's what you need to know. It's really easy to enter this giveaway. Just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, April 23rd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, since some of the winners of my past drawings have never claimed their prizes, I'm going to draw 3 finalists, and the first to respond and confirm your entry will win the prize. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, April 24th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I'll also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a flower emoji or the word flower in your comment along with the answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck. Now, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree and Family Dollar as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at the stores this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.